Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to enable and use the sound recognition feature on your iPhone or iPad. Apple has introduced an accessibility feature called sound recognition that enables iPhones and iPads to listen for certain sounds like a doorbell or a baby crying and alert the user if they are detected. The feature is designed to help people that are hard of hearing, but Apple cautions that it shouldn't be relied upon in circumstances where the user may be harmed or injured in high risk or emergency situations or for navigation. However, anyone can make the most of this neat feature. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now scroll down a bit and choose Accessibility. Under the Hearing section, select Sound Recognition. Then toggle the switch for sound recognition and then wait for a moment for the feature to download. After that, tap on Sounds. Then select which sounds you want your device to listen for and then enable the respective switch as per your needs. And once the feature is enabled, your device will continuously listen for the sounds you selected, and using on-device intelligence, it will notify you when those sounds are detected. Now, I'm going to show you how to add sound recognition to the control center. Once you have enabled the sound recognition feature on your device, you can add it to your device control center to make it easier to switch it on or off. To get it done, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now select Control Center. Under More Control section, tap the green plus button beside Sound Recognition to add it to the list of included controls above. Notably, you can also use the hamburger handles on the far right of the controls list to arrange them in the order you want. Once that's done, you can access the Sound Recognition button by launching the Control Center on your iOS or iPadOS device. Just swipe down from the top right to bring up the Control Center. After that, tap on the Sound Recognition button to turn it on or off. You can also long press on the sound recognition button and change which sounds your device should listen for, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can set up and use sound recognition accessibility feature on your iPhone and iPad. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.